Here I have NUBIA Red Magic 6 Racing, and today I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the arrow here, then tap on the gear to access its settings, and here in resolution section you can change its aspect ratios. You have like 4:3, 16:9, 12:9, and also 1:1. I mean 20:9, not 12, 20:1, or not 20:1, I mean 20:9 and 1:1. Okay, excuse me. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.